Ready, man, ready, you know.
Yeah, active.
That is that.
No man, remember I said when you walk off this one, never that bad. So it's more of
Yes.
it's
When we are forward fit. Butcher. So what go on?
Trouble. Lift. You hear me say? Clutch. Lift.
Trouble like
That
this.
me depend. No police. No lock up. No jail. Mad.
alright. Rolling. Action.
Yeah. So turn up the headphones, man. Alright. This is so many problems you ain't even gotta stress it. Addicted to the paper, always thinking about the next hit. Next to money and revenge, always the best gift. Young, dumb, and reckless, and living like we got a death wish. Crash a party if my name ain't on the guest list. I once had two blind bitches tell me that I smell rich. I don't answer calls until I finish making breakfast. Hip hop album once been coming up and I ain't felt since blood clot. Rich now, but a nigga had a rough start. Doesn't form bitches, form cars for pretend dog. Couple of laws say less.
Sorry. Walk out again. Walk out again. Yeah. That does go back for you then. And hold on. Ready? Step back a little bit. Rolling. Action. Cut. Let's see your head turn and look on it. From rolling. Action. Good. Go up again. Rolling. Marissa, you know the shot. Stand up. Rolling. Action. Hold that. Good. Now the movements. Rolling. Your head a look on her. Your head a look on her. Rolling.
I never want to do that. Show me. Release him. Free him up there. A vicious leaf clutching no man. Movements of your people.
Hey, you know that bad? If me did make him left something wrong, so he might walk come here and say something.
Yeah, I mean, serious.
I see your movements.
Clean and lift up.
Man, you know, say if you have a one man to watch,
Eh?
you can go back there side the gate, you know. I'm hold him, so you know. And you have him a pre-fan all, somewhere down the side there, so you know.
More viciously cut long time, no problem. Maybe the Marissa did a reason after
Yeah.
Our long time that.
Long time, that's true.
5 to 6.
You know,
That's a code. See there? A walk.
that is that.
That is it.
So, how you go?
Yeah. People them come for butcher star. People them come for butcher. Just as butcher and Marissa.
Up and going
Up
again.
and going again.
Yeah,
I
man.
know what going on. Yes, man.
Guinea for days.
Yes.
Pretty sweet, them like liquor. But it's sweet.
Alright, so watch you now. I want to name under the tree. I broke tool him, you know.
Under the tree. We're going to set up the spot. Yeah?
Yeah, man, you can set up a
Up
spot.
the flowers, them, man.
That is that. Mm.
Yes, official.
Yeah, man. Bitch ready, you know. Lift up, boss.
Lift up. Lift up.
Alright, so here where we are at to it now. See?
Mm-hmm.
You see the place out there, so? Where we go? The plaza.
Yeah.
It is going on a meeting with the brother we build the plaza. The brother we buy the plaza. I'm not gonna run it now. Man named Radcliffe. So Radcliffe I run off out there, so but you don't know who Radcliffe is. See him?
But it is member in face from up on Miss Jen.
Yeah.
Oh, you see up on Miss Jen? Oh, so I've got to pay it different then.
Yeah.
Am I dealing with it right? Rolling. Action.
So how the food part go? Them a deal with it right?
But I'm the owner of the talk to you. The second in command, you know? But I said that half hour them make a decent piece of food. Rolling. Action.
The boss himself we talk to you. The second in command. But he must say the piece of food that them a give.
Decent.
Yeah, we know what me say if we say it, so what? You see, because I'm going to say a piece of food that them a give. I want to say a good amount of food them can shop off for. You see it? So I think we're going to say
Run it again, my bro.
Ready? Rolling. Action.
You know, say I know boss me talk to still. The second in command. But you must say the piece of food we are running still. Nice piece of cheddar, you see me? Yeah, match.
Then I can take on that, brother. Extra income that name, you know. Rolling. Action.
Yeah, man. So you can take on that bad man. Extra income that name, you know. Extra income.
Income, yes,
Yeah, man, I income me here.
Alright. One more time.
Hold them with the income.
Rolling. Coming on, a man come lily down with him. Rolling. Action. No, so what you say?
Me know if you say I just smile, me I try to take off my face. Come on, laugh
Hold it.
Ready? Rolling. Action.
So hold on there. What do you matter about security? You want to in a uniform and them thing there? Because we want to know, you know. We don't want a man come lily down with thinking about man.
But it is very well laugh.
Uniform like we have two pants.
Like some decent businessman now. You see me? Rolling. Action.
That's why I tell you it's a professional thing. You see, but you don't know when you circle the ground. We have to look official. You get what I say? A business thing. You have to look like official business. You see it? Simple. Very good.
Yeah, one more time. Change your answer. Yeah. Well, so yeah, I said, yeah. You said, no man, I don't know uniform thing, brother.
Yeah.